Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can tie a cat paw knot using macrame cord. For this I'm going to be using a gold ring and I have some macrame cord. Pop the two ends of the cord together and that will allow us to find the centre point. Then pop that through the front of the ring, pull it through the back, then through the loop we are going to pull the strands of macrame cord, but we're not going to tie them tightly, we're just going to separate them out a little bit. Then taking one side, take the end of the cord and put it through the ring and pull it, and it's starting to look twisted. Then we're going to repeat that again so it has two twists. Then repeat that on the other side. So take the cord, put it through the hoop and pull it through, and then repeat that again. Each side now has 3 twists of cord. Then holding the 2 strands of macrame cord in your hand and the ring in your other hand, start to pull them gently. They might need a little bit of help pushing them up, so we're going to push the macrame cord up at the same time as pulling down the 2 strands, and we can see there that is now forming us our cat paw knot, and we just need to make sure that that's firmly in there and all nice and tight and secure. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.